I'm going to go through this question in two different ways. The first is to notice that we essentially have difference of two squares. Actually, we've got two pairs of difference of two squares. So if we write down 2045 squared, and then let's do the plus 2050 squared minus 2005 squared minus 2000 squared over 1,000. Then we can rewrite this as 2045 squared minus 2005 squared. I mean, we can decide which way around we do it, but I'm just going to link these two together. And then plus 2050 squared minus 2000 squared. Right, and when you have a squared minus b squared, you can factorize it to a plus b times a minus b. So I can do that here. I can add them together, and I'm going to get 4050, and then multiplied by the difference, which is 40. For this next one, add them together, again gives me 4050. You can see this is working really well, and in this case I'm going to times by 50. And that will become 90 lots of 4050. We can cancel out a 0 there, and here as well. Now just to do 9 times 405, well 9 times 4 is 36, and we get 3600, and then 9 times 5 is 45. Still divided by 10, so that will be 364.5. Rounded up to the nearest integer is going to be 365. Nice, that worked really well. Okay, here's a second method. It's a bit more involved, and it is actually to expand the brackets out. So we'll get 2025 squared. The reason this kind of looks like it might be a good idea is that we've got 2025 in all of these, and they're going to end up cancelling out. Then we'll get plus 20 squared, and then 2025 times 20, but two lots of that. And I'm going to do the same with all of them. In fact, I'll put them on different lines just to begin with. Right, now for the minusing. Just be careful with this. We're going to be minusing 2025 squared, minusing 20 squared, but we'll be, because there's a minus here, we're going to be getting a minus minus. We're going to again be adding two lots of 20 times 2025. And the final one be this. And don't forget, we're dividing everything through by 1,000, but I'll bring that back in at the end. So now I can cancel these out, and these, and these, and these. And then I've got four lots of 20 times 2025. And four lots of 25 times 2025. And remember, I'm dividing that, bring the 1,000 back in now. So I don't, this isn't as good, it's got to be said, okay? It doesn't sort of cancel out quite as well. But let's keep going. Okay, I'm going to write it as 80 times 2025 plus 100 times 2025. Actually, it's going to be 180 times 2025. I can cancel one of the zeros out. And then what I could do is kind of write 9 times 2 and write it as 9 times 4050 over 100. Okay, so I'm back to now to 9 times 405. So again, we would get 3645 over 10, 364.5, 365. So look, it works pretty well. Two different methods for solving this problem to give us an answer of 365 to round it up to the nearest integer.